John Mac. Like, what's up, baby? Let's have some fun, baby. She think she gripping on my dick, but that's my gun, baby. Yeah. Oh, you like thugs, baby? Well, how you like it if I beat it till it's numb, baby? Slow it down, P.O.P. Hold it down. Baby, it's enough for me to go around. Blow me down. Slow it down. If you ain't know I'm really him, you know it now. Yeah. Free my brother, fuck the judge. It's 40, I'm the supersonics. I keep the glove. Yeah. I talk shit just because I ain't Usain Bolt, I'm tryna run. I need me a sugar mama like.
What's up, YouTube? It's your boy King Kilo. Today I got another unboxing for you guys. If you guys haven't seen the intro, but before I get off into the video and get off into the shoes, go ahead and do your boy a favor, subscribe to the channel, like this video, and drop some comments down below and let me know some more shoes that you guys would like to see. But without further ado, let's go ahead and get off into it. So today the shoe that I got with me is the New Balance 1906R running shoes. And these things are beautiful, man. I like these shoes a lot. Super comfortable, super stylish. They look like designer shoes, but it's New Balance. Like, it's crazy. Like, these things look super nice. You got the off-white laces. You got the gray accents along the toe box, along the heel. You got like a hint of green, like pine green in there as well on the tongue and on the back as well. I don't know what this midsole is. It's Energy, I guess. The Energy midsole. It feels like super cushiony, not super hard, so it's like easy to walk in. It's definitely like an everyday wearable shoe. It's actually a running shoe, as you guys can see on the tongue there. It says running. Boom. But yeah, man, $155. Like, I never thought I would pay over $100 for some New Balances, but I saw these and I had to have them. It comes in a gray box, basic, generic New Balance box, recyclable materials, size 13 for your boy. You know, it's my personal size. And then just your regular shoe paper in the box. And that's pretty much it. So that's it for the box. But the shoe, this is what we all came here for. The shoe is what we are all here for. And I like the fact that they did like these off-white laces. Like, they're not completely white. So on the tongue you can see that it's white. These are like an off-white, like cream color. And I like that about this shoe. Super good. The colors just complement each other like 100%. You got the insoles right here. New Balance insoles. Nothing too crazy. And then they got the sizing on the back. 13 to 15. I guess this is like their 13, like men's 13 to 15 like insoles. So boom, you got that. Nothing crazy. Enhanced for performance. So I guess this is like actually, like I said, a running shoe. Probably training these. But y'all let me know y'all thoughts on this shoe, man. I think this shoe is fire. And I think the 1906, and I said it before because they did like a collab with the Ame de Leon, like that brand. And the 1906Rs that they came out with were fire. Fire. They were like a green color, and the thing was like off-white too, like an aged look. And they were nice. And I think that is what boosted the popularity for the 1906Rs for New Balance. So, you know, once I seen that shoe, I'm like, yeah, you know, I'm not paying $500 for it, but I'll go cop me a nice pair. And that's what I did. So y'all let me know how y'all feel about this shoe, man. But that's pretty much it for this sneaker. I might go ahead and throw it on feet so you guys can see what it looks like. So stay tuned for more.
Hold it down. Baby, it's enough for me to go around. Blow me down. Slow it down. If you ain't know I'm really him, you know it now. Yeah. Free my brother, fuck the judge. It's 40, I'm the supersonics. I keep the glove. Yeah. I talk shit just because I ain't Usain Bolt, I'm tryna run. I need me a sugar mama like I'm Penny. No small talk, let's get to the nitty gritty. The booty cool, but you know I love the titties. I am him if you ain't know. I need a crown that's gon' fit me. I'm not a ball hog, love to see my dogs ball. AI versus all y'all, street punks be all talk. He hope I fall off, man, she in my call off. Growling in that thing while I'm in it, raw dog, like Say they hard, but they lie. I'm a bass slide in that field, I'm A-Ride. I can sniff the hate a mile away, I'm K9. I'm just tryna, I'm AI, hey, baby, turn around, see what you turning down. You ain't knowing who I was, you learning now. Hey, as I got older, hoes I never worry about. I heard these hoes love me, how you know? Word of mouth. Like, what's up, baby? Let's have some fun, baby. She think she gripping on my dick, but that's my gun, baby. Yeah. Oh, you like thugs, baby? Well, how you like it if I beat it till it's numb, baby? Slow it down, POP, hold it down. Baby, it's enough for me to go around. Blow me down, slow it down. If you ain't know I'm really him, you know it now. Yeah.
I heard it.